gonna do in this video? You guessed it correct! Yoga! Yes, we're gonna try some poses and she's gonna do the poses I do. Let's start with some warm-ups. Just side to side. Then we're gonna look up and down. And then raise the head. And now we're going to the other side. And now we're going to do our shoulders. How about opposite side? Now our wrist. Now the opposite side. Now our wrist. Opposite side. Now we're going to do our fingers. We're going to do our hip. Now the other side. Now we're going to do our knees. Now we're going to do our toes. And that's it. Let's start doing the poses. I'm going to do Suryanamaskar. I'm going to stand up. Put your hands like this. Bend back. And touch the side of our legs. And now take your right leg and keep it back. And then take your left leg and keep it like this into the plank position. And now we're going to do the dog pose. The dog pose. Our chest down. And then the snake pose. The snake pose. And then we're going to do the dog pose again. The dog pose. And then the right leg forward. The right leg forward. Left leg forward. Left leg forward. Stretch back. Stretch back. And back here. We have to hold each pose 2 or more seconds. We did Suryanamaskar on the right side, and now we're going to do it on the left. Stand up. Do this. And stretch back. Keep it right here. And now you're going to take your left leg and do this. And now you're going to take your right leg and do it into the plank. And then you're going to do the dog pose. Big triangle shape. And then you're going to keep your chest down. I did. And now lift your head up to do the snake pose. And now we're going to do the dog pose again like we did in the first. Yeah. We're going to take our left leg into the forward. Yeah. And take our right leg like this. And lift the leg up. And back here. That's on the left side. Remember to breathe in and breathe out while you do these poses. Are you a beginner? Or are you tired of sitting for a long time and remote learning like us? Try these poses.